You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word, this one, because there are indeed two different pronunciations. So if you've been wondering, well, that's probably why, because two pronunciations are correct. In British English, it is said as idempotent, idempotent, the property of certain operation in mathematics and computer science, whereby they can be applied multiple times without changing the result beyond the initial application. In American English, it is said as idempotent. Yes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.